you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Gotta let it go.
Na, 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 na,
trying to make an intro to this video, except it's chaos around here. Chaotic chaos. It's chaos around here. Haven't had a chance to. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to a vlog. Welcome to a new video. This is gonna be a little like few days in my life vlog. Starting this vlog in the middle of the day. It is 2:17. Cohen just woke up from his nap a little bit ago. He's eating lunch over there. Sister is super tired and was trying to go to sleep, but struggles to nap during the day. I feel like I'm always out of focus on this camera, but I spent most of his nap trying to get some cleaning done. I got bottles and pumps washing in my bottle washers. I just got the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro, and I'm loving it because she gets a bottle every night and she takes the Dr. Brown's bottle, and that bottle washer fits those literally perfect. So I've got all of her bottles washing. Like I said, I was trying to get some cleaning done, which I swear I get one thing clean and then I look over and I'm like, ugh, what happened? It's chaos. I have so much laundry to do. But yeah, I have a bunch of laundry to do today. I am trying to get the house straightened up. I got all the dishes done, which is nice. Now I have a mess to clean up from lunch. Okay, I'm gonna go try to lay her down. Maybe, or put her in the carrier, I don't know. And then clean up the mess from lunch.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown.
This is my sweet little FOMO
With our
baby.
best moves we can boogie.
She don't want to miss nothing. I really quickly wanted to talk to you guys about the bottle washers. I have the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. I just got it. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. And then I also have the Mom Cozy Cling Pal Bottle Washer, and I like both. They both do the job of washing bottles and pump parts, but I have been loving the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro because, one, in comparison to the Mom Cozy, it does not have a drain hose, which is actually so annoying. And yeah, the Mom Cozy has like a hose we have to kind of fish behind our dish rack into the sink so that it drains off there. The Baby Brezza has just like a dirty water reservoir on the bottom, so you can just like dump it with each load, which is really nice. So you can pretty much put it anywhere in your kitchen. And then also, like I said, she takes the Dr. Brown's bottle. She takes a bottle every night before bed, and the Baby Brezza fits those bottles and all the accessories with those bottles perfectly. There's like a little spot for everything, which I love. It has the precision jet streams that shoots right into the bottle nipples and the bottles to really get them nice and clean and get all up in there, because the Mom Cozy just kind of has like spinning water around it. So I really don't feel like it probably gets all up in the little parts. So I love the Baby Brezza. I keep looking over at both of them. I don't know why. I do use both of them because if I can save time washing bottles and pumps, you better believe I'm going to. So I've been loving the Baby Brezza for the bottles because it gets all up in the little crevices of the bottle nibbles, all the little parts up in the bottle. So much better than like a bottle brush when you're hand cleaning. A bottle brush just doesn't reach all of those spots. So loving the Baby Brezza for that. Washes, dries, and sterilizes your bottles or pumps or whatever you want to clean, which is so nice because, again, saves so much time as a mom. I feel like I don't get enough time in the day to get everything done, so being able to just load that up and it does all the work for me, thank goodness. Because, so yeah, if you are making a baby registry or looking for some baby must-haves, I would definitely say a bottle washer. I got both, so you don't have to, and I would definitely go for the Baby Brezza because I think it fits more, it cleans more precisely, doesn't have the drain hose, so you can put it wherever. If you don't have the counter space right next to your sink, you can put it anywhere in your kitchen, which is perfect. I love it. And you guys can get $15 off of your $100 plus order through Baby Brezza when you use 15off_Olivia Cantrell. I'll have it on screen along with in the description box below. Definitely use my code to get some money off because that thing is a lifesaver, especially if you're also a 2under2 mom. You ain't got time to wash bottles. I don't got time to stand there and wash, scrub all these bottles and things, so that thing makes my life so much easier. It's like a dishwasher on your counter for bottles. Yeah, I'll have it linked down below. Definitely check it out. It makes my life so much easier. I do like both, but for the price points, Baby Brezza. Go get one and you can thank me later for saving you so much time. Somebody's finally asleep and I'm actually sweating. We've had a cold front for the past few days except for today. It's warming back up. That's Florida for you. It goes from like 60 back to 80 in a day. I think it's time to go get some fresh air and we'll come back to this chaos inside in a little bit. But right now I think I'm gonna go outside with Cohen to play with him and get some fresh air because we could all use it.
My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they wanna
What are you doing? You got your blower?
My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na, 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 na.
So many acorns. We hear them like all night falling on our roof.
We'll go upstairs.
He could spend all day out here. He loves being outside. You see the acorns? Yeah. What is it? Oh boy, those are ants. Oh my gosh. Luckily there is no ants coming out of it. Well, a little bit, but those are ants, Bubba. You'll get a boo-boo. Don't go by them. What are you doing? Chaos. Toddlers are fun. They're really fun, actually. He's so fun. He's at such a fun age. He's at 18 months, a year and a half. And he's so fun.
We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us.
Okay, I'm gonna fold that laundry and pick up the camera next when I'm doing something interesting because we're not doing nothing interesting right now. Okay. Don't mind my appearance. I suck at vlogging. It's the next day. It's 2:22 the next day. And I went to Home Goods and Target this morning and I forgot to vlog. I'm gonna make up for it by giving you a haul. Starting off with Home Goods. I got Briar this sweater. It's like a little pink cardigan. And it says hello on the back. You can barely see it, but it says hello on the back. I don't know what brand this is. This is the tag, but I thought this was so cute for her. So cute. Also got these bows. They're like little velvet bow headbands. They're so cute. This is probably the one she'll wear for Christmas because I think I already know what her outfit is gonna be for Christmas. It's like a sweater knit romper thingy from Old Navy, and I feel like a red velvet bow would look so cute with it. These are also, they're just like soft. I like these ones. I feel like they're soft on her head. For Cohen, I got this set, Merry Grinchmas. I thought that was so cute. I love sweat sets for him. It's like my favorite kind of outfit to put him in, or just sets in general, but when it's cold outside, sweat sets are so cute, and that one's just so cute. Who doesn't love the Grinch? Also got each of them, one for Cohen and one from Briar, a little like ornament making kit. I did these with Cohen last year. They're so cute. It's on the tree. I need to do it again this year with him and for Briar's first Christmas at Target. And I didn't really get anything super fun, to be honest. Got pads and tampons because for some reason my body decided to hate me and start my period 8 weeks postpartum. And I also bought, like, the other day I bought tampons, probably TMI, I don't care though. I bought like more, I don't know, clean tampons, and they hurt. So I used to use these, so I just went and bought these. And then I got the teen pads because I feel like they're the same thing, just not as bulky, and I don't know. Got these little snacks for Cohen. He still likes these. And I got him this shirt because it's supposed to be 80 degrees on Thanksgiving now. He had a sweater he was gonna wear, but if it's gonna be 80 degrees, I need a t-shirt to bring. I'll probably put him in the sweater to take a picture of us because we all kind of match and it's gonna be cute. But then a little t-shirt to put him in if it's hot. And this one's just neutral and we'll go with his little pants and shoes. And then I got stuff to make for dinner. Steak and french fries, steak fries. Okay. Both of the kids are sleeping. She's in the swing. She screamed her head off on the way home from Target. She was super worked up when we got home. Super overtired. Way past her normal wake window. I was trying everything to get her to go to sleep. Like I said earlier in the video from yesterday, FOMO, baby. I don't know. No, I'm just rambling. I feel like all my vlogs is like set up somewhere and I'm just chatting, yapping. Sorry I didn't vlog my Target trip. I suck at vlogging. I forgot my camera and then I was like, I'll film on my phone. No, that didn't happen. But I'm giving myself some grace because I have my hands full when I'm out. Like, I've got her in the carrier. I'm like carrying him, putting him in the buggy, putting him in the stroller, whatever. It's a lot. Hands are full, but better full than empty. I'm the worst vlogger. I really gotta get back into a groove of things. I feel like my vlogs are boring, but maybe you guys don't think that, so I don't know. Okay, I figured since I was talking about their Thanksgiving outfits, I would show you guys their Thanksgiving outfits because they're so cute. This is the sweater I was talking about for Cohen. Oh, it's so cute. I wish it was gonna be cold. Like I said, I'll put him in it and then probably just switch him into the t-shirt, and then he's just wearing like tan jeans and his brown Converse. He's literally gonna look so handsome. Also, both of these are from Walmart. This is her bow. This is from Acre, Shop Acre Bows. They're so cute. This is my like favorite bow company, but this is the little bow. And then this is her outfit. Oh, is it not the cutest? With little long socks that match. She's gonna look precious. And they're gonna match so well. And then I'm wearing like, it's in my closet. I'm not gonna go get it right now, but I can insert pictures. I'm wearing this like the viral sweater vest top that's like chunky and then has gold buttons. And then I'm wearing these Amazon pants that I saw on TikTok that are like fancy sweatpants that are kind of a khaki color. And then Bradley's gonna wear brown pants and a like brown toned flannel. Also, it's sitting right here, so I thought I'll show you this too. I just bought this outfit from Rare from Target. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at the little collar, little matching leggings. Cute. Also, I guess I could show you guys her nursery a little bit. It's not even close to being done. I plan on doing this thing to the wall where I texture it with like florals. I kind of did one right here like this, but I actually ordered bigger ones because I wasn't really liking how tiny this was. And then I'm gonna paint the wall pink. Okay, that's the vision. I got this name sign for her from, I can't think of the name. Oh wait, Cherry K Homes or something like that. I'll put it on screen. But it's literally perfect. I'm obsessed with the bows. Bows is definitely a part of her theme. And then her sweet little name, Briar Magnolia. I'm obsessed. So that's gonna not be so boring once I finally do that. I just have not taken the time to do it. And then we set up her crib, or I did actually the other day while they were both asleep, because it was the mini crib. This is the nested crib and it was the mini, so I converted it to the full size just because I felt like she needed a bigger space. And I actually got this. Okay, you can see her spit up on it, but it's like a silk thing you put around the mattress on their sheet for their head so that it helps not damage their hair so much. So we'll see if that works. Cohen had the biggest bald spot ever when he was like 4 or 5 months. Big old bald spot and stuff, so I was like, maybe this will help her not get the bald spot. But also I feel like all babies get the bald spot and it's fine. Okay, have her set up in here. This is, I need to put back in the closet. This is from the crib. Play set up in here. Moms of 2under2 no. I gotta kind of split the two up because if I put her on the floor, he like kisses her and then forgets that she's there and will like sit on her. So, and I actually have her mini crib mattress under this just to make it more cushiony. I have some photos. I made it like a little wall collage with some pretty little pictures I'm going to hang up here, which will look so cute. And then I need to get new shelves. I'm not vibing with those, and then I will decorate them though. My aunt made this cute little blanket with her name on it. I'm obsessed with the ruffly muslin blankie. So yeah, okay, that's her room. It's kind of a mess, to be honest, but yeah, maybe, I don't know when I'll do that wall, but I will add that into a vlog here soon when I finally find the time to do it. I've been putting it off just because it's kind of a lot of work, and like I will insert the TikTok of what I'm doing because I don't know how to explain it. I'm literally obsessed with her. She's so sweet. I could just eat her face off in the sweetest way possible. I love them both so much. I like can't even remember life before them. It's amazing. Kids are the best.